Yes, welcome again. I told you when I gave you SOHCAHTOA and method, I said we are going to talk concerning SOHCAHTOA and Pythagoras theorem. I just want to chip in trigonometry. I told you earlier in my previous speech, I said in mathematics is divided into 5. I told you number and numeration, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, statistics, and operation research 6. I told you. And we've done some works. Check my equation. We've done equation. We've done sequence and series, AP and GP. We have done that. And I just want to chip in trigonometry, SOHCAHTOA. Now, there are different types of triangle. There are different types. But we just want to talk on right angle triangle SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. It's an acronym. Sine x equal to O over H. O means opposite over H. How do you get your opposite? Now, let's look at this triangle. This sign is right angle triangle. This is an angle. Anywhere an angle is facing is called opposite. Once there are 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. Once you can identify your opposite, the longest side is hypotenuse, represented by H, letter H, while the third one is A. So let's go to SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA means sine theta equal to O over H. Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. 3 parameters. 2 sides, 1 angle. Whenever you want to be given questions, out of these 3 parameters, you will be given 2, you'll be asked to find 1. I told you when we did our equation, you will be given 2 parameters. 2 parameters. Out of the 3 parameters, you'll be given 2, you'll be asked to find 1. The next one is C-O-H, cosine, which is cos theta, equal to K, SOHCAHTOA, K, C-A-H. It means cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. While the last one, tua, opposite over adjacent. That is concerning that one. And the next one, I told you that the extension of this SOHCAHTOA, the extension of SOHCAHTOA leads to sine rule. In our next page, we are going to do that one, works on. But this one are just yes 1, yes 2, primary 6, primary 5 work. But prior knowledge, before we can go to cosine root or sine root, we need to do this angle of elevation, angle of depression, all those simple work. Then Pythagoras theorem. That one 3 parameters also. The one that I did, HOH. Pythagoras theorem states that in the right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of the other 2 sides, which give H squared equal to O squared plus A squared. That is Pythagoras theorem. Inclusion of additional angle. Additional angle leads to cosine rule. Leads to cosine rule. Follow me on my page when we move to how to do about our sine rule, which is small a all over sine A equal to small b all over sine B equal to c over sine B. That's concerning that one. Cosine rule, that one is a squared. That one is very simple. Let's move. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll put you through.